In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy multiple tickets on Groupon. First, open your browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar or search box, type the word Groupon, then press enter. You should see Groupon appear near the top of the search results, usually with a short description mentioning deals, coupons, or local offers. Take a quick look and confirm you see the familiar green Groupon logo on that result so you know you are heading to the correct site. Once you see it, click the correct Groupon link and wait for the homepage to load. At the top right, look for the option to log in and sign in with your usual account details. When you are logged in, you will notice your name or account icon appear in the top corner, and the site will now show deals tailored to your location and past purchases. Logging in first, make sure any tickets you buy are saved to your account automatically for easy access later. Now use the search bar at the top to find what you want, such as local services, restaurants, events, or travel getaways. Type a short phrase like comedy show tickets or spa day and press enter. On the deal page you like, scroll down and carefully find the fine print section. Read this whole section slowly. Some merchants enforce a strict limit such as limit 1 per person, may buy 1 additional as a gift. If the fine print restricts the deal to 1 per person, the system will not let you add more for a single person in one order. Right on this same deal page, locate the quantity or e-courier selector. Change the number to match how many tickets you are allowed and actually need. When you adjust the quantity, the total price on the screen will update so you can double-check the cost before moving on. Next, look closely around the purchase area of the deal. Click the drop-down option menu or look directly next to the green Buy Now or Give as a Gift button. The quantity you chose should now be clearly visible near this button. Before you click, confirm the correct option is highlighted, especially if the deal offers different days, seating levels, or ticket types, since changing that later can be a hassle. Then click the button to move to checkout. On the checkout screen, pause for a moment and scan for any place to save money. If you have a discount code, look for the promo code or gift code link. Click that link, enter your code carefully, and click Apply. You should see the total drop right away or a small note confirming the code has been accepted. If the price does not change, the code may be expired or not valid for this deal, so check the spelling and any rules listed near the code box. With your discount sorted, select your payment method, such as credit card, debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay, and click Pay. After a brief moment, you will see an order confirmation screen, and your multiple tickets will appear in your Groupon account under your purchases, ready to use or share according to the fine print. You just learned how to buy multiple tickets on Groupon in one smooth checkout. So if this helped, please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more clear walkthroughs like this.